it's a very important day for us because a company like Cipla and the representatives of Cipla and our director Jyoti Sadesai and our Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Bandekar, Dr. Lisa Purti and all Ashwin and other, all the representatives, and I would like to thank on the behalf of all of them who have been associated with us and the Goa government for so long. And Cipla, the manufacturer of Remdesivir, which is today a very important requirement and which is also in short supply in the country, is under their CSR. They are giving the state government. They are giving the state government about 1,008 vials, and this is I mean, we are really very grateful to them because this will help in benefiting 200 patients. As we know that one vial is required for 6 vials are required for one patient, and it was just mentioned now that this is given during fighting COVID-19 at stage 2. And also, this is a very important drug that is being widely used today. I am really grateful to Cipla, to the management of Cipla, the MD Cipla Shri Umang, for having taken this step to help the government of Goa and support in saving the lives of these patients suffering from COVID-19. In addition, I would like to also thank our Chief Minister, who has always been supportive in every aspect and also in terms of support in this war against COVID-19. I am grateful once again to Cipla, and I show them all the support from the state government. It has always been the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji that we basically we use our own resources that are there in the country to fight COVID-19 and see what best we can do for the people and provide the best quality drugs. I am grateful for Cipla and the management of Cipla for having taken such an initiative. This will really benefit the people of the state of Goa and the patients actually fighting COVID-19 in the COVID hospital. This will help in providing treatment to more than 200 people, like I mentioned. Once again, thanking the Honorable Chief Minister for his support, thanking the management of Cipla and our Director FDA, who is always very supportive. We also know that Goa is the 4th largest hub of pharma. Cipla is one of the largest companies in the state of Goa, and we are proud to be associated with them in this war against COVID. Once again, I would like to thank the MD of Cipla, Shri Umang, for having taken this initiative and supported the state government. I would also like to use this as a forum to appeal to all our people not to be in the state of panic. I do know that the spike, everybody feels that there's a spike. We have to be ready for the worst, but we have every precaution that is required to fight COVID-19. We are now revamping the total functioning with experts and additional experts as far as the COVID hospital is concerned in Margao. In addition, with the support of the Chief Minister and the whole team under the Goa Medical College and the Director of Health Services in the ASI hospital, we are trying to see what best services we can provide. Quality, right from the patient handling to every aspect is being looked at, and we want to see that the people are taken care of. Medication, all the types of medications are being provided, and the that are being followed as per the AIMS protocol, which has been already standardized. We are trying to follow those protocols. It is not just mere giving paracetamol to a patient. Many times I find sometimes in the media it says that only mere paracetamol a patient of COVID-19 can recover. It is not so. There are standard protocol where also remdesivir is also one of the drugs. Apart from that, there are other drugs also and other protocols that need to be followed. But there is a standardized protocol of COVID-19. On this occasion, I would like to thank the representatives of Cipla, and I am grateful to them, and I show them all support from the state government as far as the FDA is concerned, and all our Director FDA is always, like I said, supportive. And I would like to appeal to the people of Goa, do not get carried away by any kind of news reports and articles that come that it is mere paracetamol and that it's a standardized SOP of the AIMS that has to be used in order to fight COVID-19 and treat the patients. And we are here to serve the people of the state of Goa. We are working very hard on reducing the mortality rate, and I am confident that we will be successful in doing so. And as far as the mortality is concerned, the comorbid condition cannot be an excuse as far as we are concerned. We do not take it as an excuse that because the person has comorbidity that mortality rate is higher. We are working hard with experts to see that we are able to tackle this in a very professional and scientific manner as recommended by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And the people of Goa are very precious to us. Anybody who's getting treatment in the state of Goa will be given the same type of treatment, and same protocols that are applicable and standardized by the government of India will be adopted in the state of Goa. Once again, I would like to thank Cipla, and I thank you very much for being here today, and I would like to thank their management also, because this will be a benefit in saving every life is very important to us, and this Civil is here, what has been given to us will help in providing treatment to more than 200 people, and hence the government of Goa, on behalf of the Chief Minister of Goa, would like to thank in doing this and through CSR helping us out. Thank you so much.